As of the 25-26 school year, this is the newest document camera available in the district. It is the Qomo Wandercam Pro. It's a small, movable document camera with its own battery and power source and multiple ways to connect. One notable feature is the ability to extend and raise the camera head to view larger objects. On the left side of the camera, you'll see connections for the power cord, the HDMI cable that goes to the projector, a switch for the refresh rate, 60 Hz is recommended, and then a selector switch for which way you're going to be sharing. USB if you are connecting it to a computer to record, HDMI to use the HDMI cord and the HDMI channel on your projector, or Wi-Fi if you're using the wireless adapter. On the right side are a number of lights, including the power light, the Wi-Fi signal light, which is blue when it's connected. There are charge lights to show how much power is in the battery, as well as a microphone port. There are controls on the top, and each of the controls has different features. Up at the top, you have the power button for turning it on and off. Hold it for a few seconds to turn it off completely. Notice that it's still showing the lights that it's charging, but the rest are off. Press and hold to turn it back on. There is the lamp light, where there are 3 brightness settings. There is the freeze button that freezes the image on the screen. Press it again to go back to live. The menu button, which changes the resolution of the screen. There are 4 buttons around a circle with a knob in the center that also can act like a button. Each button has its own specific feature. Simply press it and then turn the knob to control how much or how little of that effect you're doing. Let's start with zoom. On the right-hand side, press the zoom button. Turn the dial to the right or clockwise to zoom in, or to the left or counterclockwise to zoom out. Down below is autofocus. Press this and the camera will focus automatically on whatever is underneath it. If you start turning the dial, you're manually focusing on what's down below, but autofocus works well most of the time. Brightness, brighten or dim the image on the screen. And rotation. Rotate to 90, 180, 270, flipped or mirrored, or back to normal. Every new Qomo Wandercam Pro comes along with a Q-Share 20 that has the wireless adapter. Often you'll find it in the box. You may find that it's located already connected to your projector if you don't find it in the box. There is a wireless device called the Qomo Q-Share 20. It takes the exact same ports, both HDMI and USB-C, to power it. If you're using the Qomo Q-Share 20, flip the switch from HDMI to Wi-Fi. The base will then begin pairing with the Q-Share 20. When it's locked in, you'll now see your images on the screen. The document camera is mobile. It can go anywhere in the room that it's needed. If you unplugged your document camera, then you'll need to make sure that you disconnect the Q-Share 20 so you can put the cables back into the document camera to charge it and allow it to use HDMI to connect to your projector. Also remember to flip the switch back from Wi-Fi to HDMI so it works with your projector. If you want to find out more, reach out to us individually or through our instructional technology email, instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net. Or join us through our other resources, such as our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@TechTipTuesday, or through our website through tinyurl.com/CMCSSITS.